Deep within the earth, ancient secrets lie buried, remnants of creatures that thrived in darkness, far from the sunlit world above. Recently, paleontologists uncovered the fossil of a giant prehistoric worm lizard, a true titan of the underworld. This isn't just a new species, it's a key to a lost ecosystem that flourished beneath the feet of dinosaurs. Unlike most burrowers, whose fragile bones rarely survive, this giant's robust skull has endured, offering us a rare glimpse into the evolution of life underground. Join me as we journey back to the Cretaceous to explore the anatomy, power, and secrets of this incredible animal. The story of this ancient giant reminds us Earth's greatest wonders still lie hidden, waiting to be discovered. To understand our giant, we must first meet its modern kin, the amphisbaenians, or worm lizards. These aren't worms nor typical lizards. They're a unique branch of reptiles, masters of the underground. Spread across warm regions worldwide, they've perfected life in darkness, relying on touch and smell. Most are limbless, with elongated, segmented bodies that move like accordions through soil. Their skulls are reinforced battering rams, evolved for head-first tunneling. Eyes are nearly useless, often covered by skin, sacrificed for protection in abrasive soil. Their jaws are powerful, armed with sharp teeth for ambushing invertebrates and small prey. Despite their success, amphisbaenians remain mysterious, rarely seen, poorly understood, and with a fossil record that's almost non-existent. Their delicate skeletons seldom fossilize, making each discovery a rare treasure. That's why the unearthing of a giant prehistoric worm lizard is so electrifying. It's not just a fragment, but a cornerstone. This fossil reveals a scale and form once thought impossible for these animals. It forces us to rethink how life adapts to the most challenging environments. Before this, our knowledge was based on scraps. Now we have a tangible link to their ancient past. How did they survive extinction? How did they spread across the globe? This new giant may hold the answers. It's a story of survival and adaptation, buried deep within the earth. The discovery promises to illuminate the darkest corners of their evolutionary history. In Brazil's Bauru Basin, a fossil-rich region, paleontologists made an astonishing find. A small bone fragment revealed itself as the nearly complete skull of a massive, unfamiliar reptile. This was a prehistoric amphisbaenian named Cryptopistomus herclotzi, meaning hidden mouth. Unlike today's small worm lizards, Cryptopistomus was a true giant, likely over a meter long. Its skull was a fortress, thick fused bones built for powerful head-first burrowing. There were no weak points, just a solid battering ram, perfectly adapted for tunneling through tough soil. Its eye sockets were tiny, almost vestigial, confirming it was effectively blind. Instead, it relied on a highly developed inner ear to sense vibrations, navigating and hunting in total darkness. The discovery was a landmark for its exceptional preservation. Scientists could study a primitive member of this lineage in detail just before the mass extinction. Cryptopistomus shows that early worm lizards weren't just small, some were giants, apex predators. The Bauru Basin had finally revealed a ruler of the underground. This fossil is now a cornerstone for understanding the deep history of these animals. Cryptopistomus was the blind leviathan of the Cretaceous soil. Cryptopistomus herclotzi isn't just another fossil, it's a game-changer. Its sheer size defies the rules of underground life, where most burrowers are small due to energy and space constraints. At over a meter long, it suggests a Cretaceous world rich enough to support a giant, energy-hungry predator. Its skull was uniquely thick and fused, built for tunneling through compacted soils and breaking subterranean obstacles. This made it an ecosystem engineer reshaping the underground landscape. Unlike its insect-eating relatives, Cryptopistomus likely hunted other vertebrates, small mammals, reptiles, maybe even dinosaur hatchlings. Its jaws and teeth were designed for overpowering prey in tight tunnels. Blindness was no handicap. Its senses were tuned to vibrations and chemical trails, making it a master of the dark. The inner ear structure hints at an ability to detect the faintest movements, turning the soil into a sensory landscape. It was the apex predator of its world, thriving in perpetual darkness. Its existence reveals that underground ecosystems were far more complex than we imagined. The rarity of such fossils makes Cryptopistomus a solitary ambassador from a lost dynasty. Its preservation is a stroke of luck, most like it are lost forever. This fossil is our only glimpse into a forgotten chapter of reptilian evolution. Cryptopistomos stands as proof of evolution's bizarre and unexpected paths. It's a testament to the power of adaptation in the most unlikely places. The giant worm lizard is a reminder sometimes. The most extraordinary creatures are those we never see. Cryptopistomos herklotzi reshapes our understanding of worm lizard evolution. Its ancient, specialized features confirm that amphisbaenians were already thriving by the late Cretaceous, pushing their origins further back in time. The fossil acts as a Rosetta Stone, anchoring their family tree and clarifying their relationship to other reptiles. Its subterranean lifestyle may explain how worm lizards survived the mass extinction that ended the age of dinosaurs. Underground, they were shielded from the worst devastation: fire, acid rain, and impact winter. Their food sources, like invertebrates, were also protected, allowing them to endure when surface life collapsed. Cryptopistomos and its kin likely burrowed through the apocalypse, emerging into a world of new opportunities. Its gigantism suggests the Cretaceous underground was unusually productive, supporting its own megafauna. This challenges the idea that only surface or marine environments foster giants. Cryptopistomos is a blueprint for the group's later success, showing how early adaptations led to their survival and diversification. It's a story of resilience, of thriving by hiding from chaos, not confronting it. This single fossil illuminates a crucial chapter in reptile evolution. Sometimes, survival belongs to those who master the art of disappearing. Cryptopistomos is proof that life's greatest experiments often unfold in the shadows. Identifying Cryptopistomos was a feat of modern science and detective work. The nearly complete skull was a rare find, especially for a delicate subterranean animal. Key features, like the absence of a temporal arch and a heavily ossified snout, pointed to an amphisbaenian. But to see inside without damage, scientists turned to high-resolution CT scanning. Thousands of X-ray images created a 3D digital model, allowing virtual dissection of the skull's internal structures. This revealed details of the brain case, inner ear, and bone density, confirming adaptations for powerful burrowing and vibration detection. Comparative analysis with modern and extinct reptiles placed Cryptopistomos near the base of the amphisbaenian family tree. A stem amphisbaenian, an ancient cousin to all living worm lizards. The scans confirmed its lifestyle: blind, robust, and built for life underground. Geological dating placed it firmly in the late Cretaceous, living alongside the last dinosaurs. The combination of fossil evidence, advanced imaging, and rigorous comparison built an undeniable case. Cryptopistomos was not just identified, it was brought vividly to life. This process showcases how technology is revolutionizing our understanding of prehistory. Each scan, each comparison, peels back another layer of Earth's deep past. The hidden giant's identity is now secure, its story part of our planet's history. Science has finally given a name and a face to the ruler of the Cretaceous underworld. Imagine the world of Cryptopistomos 80 million years ago in South America's Bauru Basin. While dinosaurs roamed above, a parallel kingdom thrived below, dark, humid, and teeming with life. Cryptopistomos carved wide, stable tunnels with its reinforced head, creating a fortress and hunting ground. The air was thick, low in oxygen, deadly to most, but perfect for this adapted giant. As an apex predator, it lay in wait, senses tuned to the faintest vibrations of prey. When a mammal or reptile approached, it struck with explosive speed, jaws locking tight in the darkness. The underground ecosystem was vibrant. Rich soil fed invertebrates, which in turn supported a web of burrowers. Cryptopistomos ruled this world, shaping the community as both predator and ecosystem engineer. Its burrows provided shelter for smaller creatures, influencing the entire subterranean landscape. Life cycles played out in darkness, mating, egg-laying, and hatching, all hidden from the surface. The young emerged ready to tunnel and hunt, inheriting a world of perpetual night. This hidden kingdom was as complex and dramatic as the dinosaur world above. The discovery of Cryptopistomos offers a rare glimpse into this lost ecosystem. It reminds us that history isn't just written on the surface, but deep within the earth. The underworld had its own giants, its own dramas, and its own secrets. Cryptopistomos is our window into that forgotten realm. The discovery of Cryptopistomos herklotzi reveals just how rich and surprising Earth's story can be. This single fossil illuminates a lost chapter of evolution, showing that even the darkest niches can produce giants. It challenges us to look beyond the obvious, to seek the extraordinary in the hidden and the small. Cryptopistomus is a testament to life's tenacity and adaptability, thriving where others could not. Every fossil is a message from the past, a puzzle piece in the vast story of life. The tale of the giant worm lizard reminds us there are still mysteries buried beneath our feet. Evolution's creativity knows no bounds, and the earth still holds secrets waiting to be unearthed. Sometimes, the most astonishing stories are those that unfold in darkness far from the light.